I have come to realize that when we go for an event or a get together and people realize that we are wealth managers, we become the center of attraction. After all, who doesn't want to know more about money? And people assume that wealth management is all about stock markets, and then they ask you questions like which stock to buy, what about the markets, आज क्या लगता है, कल क्या लगता है, and stuff like that. To be honest, there is a significant difference, but let's keep that discussion for some other day. And this is what exactly happened in Hyderabad last week when I had gone for a get together. One of my very close relatives, who is an engineer by the way, said, Anand, tell me which stock should I buy? Being a little naughty that day, I said, do you want to buy a fish or you want to know how to fish? He was confused. He said, Anand, paheli mujh poocha, come to the point. I said, do you want to buy a stock or do you want to know the secret recipe for identifying the next big multi-bagger? He said, no way that is possible. I am an engineer. I don't know balance sheet analysis. I don't know what is ROCE. I don't know what is IRR and stuff like that. How do you expect me to identify the next multi-bagger? I said, listen, even I am not an MBA finance, but I can give you that recipe which is only 3 points. He was interested and I thought I will discuss the same thing with you today. The secret recipe consists of 3 P's. Thank you Team Marcellus for bringing this up. The first P stands for product. Is the company that you're investing innovating enough to address the customer's needs? Essentially, there are 2 ways to increase the market share. One is by being innovative, second is by cutting the price. Both can lead to significant market share gains. But innovation is not easy. It requires relentless focus from the top management and also a feedback mechanism to understand what the customers really want. And if you see that the company that you're planning to invest in is very innovative, then maybe we would have a multi-bagger in place already. Take for example Apple. Second P stands for process. Is that company driving operational efficiency? Does the company have a vision and also the commitment to keep the vision intact? Are they driving operational efficiencies through networking and collaboration, stuff like that? And are they investing enough that can drive product growth and also build a marketing muscle? Example for all this is Suprajit Engineering. The third and the most important P, according to me, is people. Is the company investing in the right set of people? Are they building a good talent pool? The key to success for many multi-baggers, which I've personally seen, is that they've been able to rightfully delegate responsibilities to key people. Plus, they've also incentivized the senior management so that they have larger skin in the game by offering them ESOPs or bonuses. If you feel that the company that you're investing is run by professionals and not just by owners, maybe you have a multi-bagger in place. Take the case of Infosys, a company that has purely grown because of professionals. I hope you find this recipe useful. Please do give your feedback. Thank you.